Hey, my name's Shad and this is Marketing Explained, where we go through marketing concepts and acronyms and make them super simple. Today we're going through landing pages.
Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night, said I'm good to go.
So what is a landing page? Essentially a landing page is just a website, a web page even, where you're sending traffic or different type of users through it in order to engage them in an event or conversion that you want them to do. Landing pages are usually structured in a way that optimizes for conversion. Of course, we can optimize pages for different types of end goals. For example, blog pages, we might optimize for legibility of the content itself, or click-through links onto other blog pages to increase our SEO. However, when it comes to landing pages, your sole focus is usually to drive a user to a specific event and to capture them as a lead in some capacity. So a landing page usually doesn't really have any navigation because you're trying to drive them straight into a specific action. You should be tailoring your landing page dependent on what type of product or service you're using. You might see course providers or coaches using very long sales pages, landing pages of course, where the user is sent down an entire page which has a bunch of testimonials and videos and continuously goes on. What you'll notice about these landing pages is that they're very different from websites because you can't navigate around to any other pages on that site. It's simply just one page with many CTAs, calls to actions, essentially buttons or forms for the user to fill in. Landing pages will also drive the user through many different types of conversions in order to attract them and get them into the best possible one. Sometimes simply sending a user through a form isn't going to cut it and isn't going to capture them. So different landing pages might be geared towards, for example, ebooks. It might be geared towards certain lead generation magnets, quizzes, calculators, whatever it might be, the landing page is usually tailored towards it. Moreover, like we speak about in our other video on A to B testing, landing pages are iterated and optimized specifically for types of target audiences. Whatever the demographic may be, the landing page should also be tailored towards them. Whether it's language, colors, structure, or the videos or imagery you put on it, whatever is going through your customer's buyer decision process, your landing page should be tailored towards it. You might also see different landing pages for different parts of the funnels. You might have multiple landing pages within a funnel that each have a specific action and end goal in mind. For example, you may have a funnel that takes someone from a Facebook ad to a webinar page, where someone is shown a 45-minute to hour-long explainer webinar, which then eventually takes them to a sales page, booking a call, or further down a funnel into a quiz or something to that effect. Overall, landing pages should be something that you can create very quickly. Landing pages don't need to be beautiful or aesthetically pleasing in any way. In fact, all they really have to do is drive up the conversion rate and get leads in the door. Landing pages in general usually have lots of marketing automations to further increase the conversions. You can check out apps such as UseFOMO or Provely for social proof. You also might use urgency timers to get people into the funnel much faster and create this idea of FOMO, the fear of missing out. And they'll also have specific tools such as pop-ups as you scroll down a certain amount of the page in order to convince a user to maybe download an ebook or sign up for a newsletter. Or if the user tries to X out of the page or go to a different page in their browser, you might have what's called an exit intent pop-up where you're still trying to capture at least an email before they leave. Landing pages are essentially a scrappy win-at-all-cost way to get someone's email and to get them into your funnel. So that's all on landing pages. Keep it super simple and don't go overboard on it too much. There's many tools such as Unbounce, Webflow, you can find them all online and you can quickly create landing pages with no development or design knowledge whatsoever. If you learned anything today, which I hope you did, please like and subscribe. And if you're new to marketing, go ahead and check out our other Marketing Explainer videos where we go through all of these concepts in super simple terms and how you can apply them to your business.